KZN MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, Sipho Hlomoga, on the 1st September 2020, launched a groundbreaking water purification and carting project, wherein his department and the Umkhanyakude District Municipality are partnering with the South African National Defence Force to purify water taken from the Mkhuze River and distributed to needy communities across the district. Through this intervention, the SANDF is utilizing its experts and resources to purify up to 150,000 of water a day, drawn from the river in Tlangano village in Ward 3 of the Jozini local municipality. This water is then distributed to rural communities in Umhlabeyalingana, Jozini, and Big 5 Hlabisa municipalities through water tankers provided by the districts. This cost-effective intervention also enables water tankers to deliver water to communities faster, thus eliminating the need for locals to travel long distances to access purified water. Speaking at the launch, Hlomoga emphasized the cost-effectiveness of this short-term intervention, through which more than 45,000 households, including schools and businesses, are benefiting. Hlomoga said the Umkhanyakude district is a water-scarce area with the biggest dam in the district, the Pongola Pot Dam, currently sitting at 41%, which is very low. This is the result of the drought that has affected many water sources across the province. He also expressed his relief by the support that has been provided by the SANDF, hailing their expertise in water purification as the water is constantly tested for quality. During the launch, Hlomoga was accompanied by the Umkhanyakude District Mayor, Councillor Mkhombo, who emphasized the district's commitment to ensuring that the water that is purified by the SANDF is carted to surrounding communities speedily. Hlomoga thanked the SANDF for the good work their team of soldiers has been doing through this intervention. Members of the community welcomed the intervention, which has brought water closer. The community will no longer face the risk of being injured by wild animals and crocodiles, as they no longer have to fetch water from the river, as they are now able to access it from the SANDF managed area.